All right, so I just wanted to jump on here really quick and give a brief update on my table saw overarm dust hood. Now, if you didn't see the video, go over and check it out. It's pretty cool. But in that video, I had asked if there was any interest in me making my digital print files available for download. That way, any of you at home with 3D printers could print the same parts and somewhat replicate the same setup that I have. Now, I was unsure what the interest level on that would be because it's kind of unique and one-off to my shop. But to my surprise, there was a whole bunch of interest in people wanting to print these files to be able to replicate it. So what I went ahead and did was create a file package that contains both .3mf files, .stl files, and a PDF that gives you kind of a high-level view of some of the additional materials and tools that I used to build this, along with some brief assembly instructions and some tips and tricks on making it a lot easier. So if that's something you're interested in, I've got the file package available for sale, or available for purchase over on my Brewbuilds Etsy store. The plans are $8.99, and all of those funds just go right back into my shop and help me grow as a creator and continue doing what I'm doing here in my shop. So if that's something that you're interested in, go over and check it out, purchase them. I really appreciate it. And before I start rambling on about a bunch of stuff that doesn't make sense, I'm gonna say thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.